All right, this video is going to be about how we can use trig functions to solve some application questions. This does not have one of the special angles, so you will need a calculator here in just a second. But let's go ahead and set this up. So if I want to know how tall this tree is, but I can't like measure up with measuring tape, right? Then one thing that we could do is we could measure the distance you are away, and then you can use some technology to find this angle here. There's a couple different meters that will find that for you. So you're looking up into this contraption that allows you to see that, oh, that's a 57-degree angle to get you up to the top of the tree. And then I want to know how tall is the tree. So what's the height? So I have 6 different trig ratios that I could use here. There's 2 that make the most sense, and they're the ones that are including the opposite and the adjacent sides. So I could say that the tangent of 57 degrees is h over 30. I could also say the cotangent of 57 degrees is 30 over h. Let's go ahead and use this one because that's the easiest to solve for h. So h must be 30 times the tangent of 57 degrees. Now, all triangles with angles of 57 degrees have the same opposite over hypotenuse ratio. So I just need to go figure out what that ratio is. Back in like the olden days, I guess, for lack of a better way to say it, you used to have to actually go to a table and have and figure out what it is, but we can use our calculator. So the tangent of 57 is 1.54. And then I'm going to multiply that by 30. So this tree is about 46.2 feet tall.